Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you how to install WordPress and WooCommerce plugin from zero. So first we are gonna go to the wordpress.org site. So you can see it here, and then we are going to download the installer file. So just go here, download here, and there it is. So then we're gonna extract, and those are the files, and we are gonna just copy into our web host. In this case, I'm gonna use a local server, so it's the same. So we have to wait. All the files are copied into our host. There it is. So now we are going to go on our site and just refresh the page, and you will see the wizard installer will help you to install. So here we have to put the database settings. So in my local server, this is my configuration. Okay, WordPress site, and I'm gonna put just this admin, this a week. There it is. So we have installed the WordPress site. Even we have received a mail, so with these instructions, so it's fine. So now we're gonna log in, and there it is. So this is the admin panel, and now we're going to install the WooCommerce plugin. So we just go to the plugin section, then we will search for WooCommerce, and we will install it. Now it's installing. It just takes some time. Okay, now it has installed, and now we need to activate. Okay, once it is activated, so a wizard installer will ask you some settings, some information. Will ask you information. So we will just put some information here. Okay, services. Let's go. Okay, we can add some payments. Continue. And then the shipping part. So in this case, we'll put just 0. Well, so there are more integrations, but I think I will just skip. But I think I will just install for the moment this option. In the next step, Jetpack software is offered, but in this case I will just skip this step. And in the final step, you can see this information, and that's it. So this is the first option, is to create a product. So we're going to create a product. And this is the panel, so we're gonna put the product. And my first product, 1. So here I'm gonna put the description. And we can choose the product type, prices, product short description, product images, product tags, product categories, and publish the product. So we're gonna add a description. In this case, so I'm gonna fill with this option, just for testing purposes. And regular price, I'm gonna put, I don't know, 40, and the sales price 23. And then we need an image, and we are going to add an image. So we will just upload this. And there it is. Just this category. And I think that's all. So we'll just publish the changes. There it is. So we're gonna see the changes. And you can see our product is published, and we will add into the cart. So you can see here. So we will make the checkout. So you can see PayPal, or you can install another plugin for making an offline payment. So in order to do that, so we will just need to go here. And add new plugin. So we're gonna WooCommerce offline payment. And I think the plugin is custom payment. Yes, there it is, WooCommerce custom payment. So we will install it. Then we will activate it. There it is. And I think it's enough. So let me check. So we're gonna refresh the page. And there it is. So you can see the custom payment is here. It's like an offline payment. So here, my thoughts. And we will just place the order. Oh, we need just to fill some information. And place the order. There it is. So these are the mails that you will receive. 3 mails for admin and customers, I think. And the order is received, has been placed, and that's it. You have the WooCommerce installed, and you can see it works fine. So thanks for your attention.